Do you want to make money with Instagram? If you want to make some really cool amount of money with Instagram, then please watch this video till the very end, because I'm going to tell you each and everything that you need in order to succeed on Instagram. So I'm going to tell you how you can get content effortlessly, how you can get stuff that really works on Instagram, and how you can, use hashtags to gain more exposure on Instagram. And in the end, I'm going to tell you a secret strategy which is rarely discussed by people. So that secret strategy will allow you to promote multiple offers on Instagram. So watch this video till the very end very carefully. Note down each and every step in this video. Another thing is, if you are new to my channel, then please make sure to watch the videos that I have on my channel. So I make regular videos on how to make money online. Say for example, how to make $70,497.50 with a site, how to make $9 in 15 minutes, how to make $10 per click, how to make money with TikTok, make $250 for just 30 seconds of work. So I have different videos on my channel. You can browse to the collection of videos that I have on my channel and tell me what do you think about these videos. Also, press the bell icon, also press the subscribe button, and then press the bell icon for instant notifications so that you do not miss any video. Now let's hop over to the today's method. So first of all, the thing which works on Instagram is viral content. Viral content is there in traveling niche, it's there in food niche, it's there in viral videos kind of stuff. So you have to find these kind of stuff, and then you have to post them. I'm gonna tell you how you can find the stuff and post them easily without creating any issues with the image of that respective with the owner of that respective image. You can easily post images of other people if you give them due credit. I'm going to tell you how to speed up that process. So just be with me in this video. First, I'm going to tell you what kind of content works, and then I'm going to tell you how you should post that content, and then I'm going to tell you how you have to give credit to the person. So just be with me in this video. So first of all, we are on this page called Travelingpreneur. This is a pretty cool page, and this person has got 24.6k followers. So as you can see, this person is posting quite good images. This image is having 216 likes. Let's see, this image is getting 224 likes. So 494 likes. Let's see, 759. Okay, this one got 7,400 likes. This got 10.6k like. This got 7.5k likes. So this is kind of really interesting image. This one, and then this one is also interesting. This one is also interesting. You have to post these kind of images. So this kind of stuff works on Instagram. You have to post these kind of images, and then you have to promote your offer here. You have to put your uh, bio something like this: luxury world traveler, entrepreneur couple with a love for travel. Then this person has given his link here. This, when I click on this link, let's see where it leads me to. So this page is opening. Let it open. So first, the number one thing is that you have to post content like this. And let's still opening. Let's check another page. Billionaire. So this page is also very good. It has got 50.5k followers, and it's promoting certain. It's doing DM for collaborations. DM means direct message for collaboration. This person can earn money by promoting other products, other pages. So this is another way of earning, but for doing this you need to be popular on Instagram. So this is a later part of strategy. Apply this only when you get popular on Instagram. So what this person is doing is that uploading. This person is uploading popular motivational quotes and he's applying his own logo on these quotes. You can see millionaire mindset. This particular person is getting 927 likes on this page, on this post. Then he got 1075 likes on this particular post. 724, 1183, 2650. So pretty good, uh, pretty decent likes and pretty decent engagement. 80%, 80 people commented on this post. So this is pretty good. And another thing that I wanted to show you is that along with viral content, you have to have consistency, and you also need to have, uh, you know, you should post 2-3 times a day. So for example, this person posted this particular post 17 hours ago. Another one he posted 21 hours ago. Then another one he posted 1 day ago. So you can see he posts 2-3 times a day. So this is very important with Instagram. You have to post viral content. Viral content means you have to post travel type content, or you have to post uh, you know weird type of images, or you have to post images with related to food, or you can post videos that are viral videos. So these three kind of things work on Instagram. You can also do this kind of stuff, motivation stuff. It also works, but you have to work a lot more. Whereas if you post viral content, you have to work very less, not that much as this person is doing. This person is, building his own logo, and he's editing this whole image. So there's a lot of work involved. Logo is optional, but if you're seriously looking to build your brand, then logo is very much essential. So that's up to you. This the method I'm teaching you can work even if you post viral content without usage of logo. So just find these images. You can search big pages in whatever niche you are going after. If you're going after motivation, then you can choose pages like this. There are a lot of pages like this which have good amount of followers. If you're going after travel, you can visit page like the one I showed you. One second. You can visit this kind of pages, and you can just repost their content. I'm gonna exactly show you how you can repost the content. It's very easy. It's just simple as 1 2 3. So this kind of things you can do. Another thing is, when we clicked on this link, it opened up something. So let's just check out. So this is Biz Ninja. What is for 48-hour power jaunt? See the world one weekend at a time. Travel with Tyler. Travel on your own. So this particular person is promoting something, some travel opportunity. So he's doing affiliate marketing. So this is pretty cool. This is pretty cool page, and this person is doing good job promoting this particular offer. So you can do something like this. I'm gonna tell you a better way to promote uh, your offers. Just be with me in this video. I'm going to tell you that thing in the end. So now you know how you can get viral content, and how you can post them to get good exposure on Instagram. Second thing which I am going to recommend you is you know how to get content effortlessly and what kind of stuff works. And then you should know how to use hashtags. So for that, first of all, come here. Let's try motivation. Motivation. So if we write motivation, if we see motivational quotes, uh, it has got 18465 posts. So it would be very hard to rank your post if you use this kind of hashtag. Whereas if you use something like motivations, this motivation speech, this particular hashtag has got only 30,499. This motivation speaker has got 50,894, and this motivation sport has got 12,021. So it would be very easier to rank on these kind of hashtags. When you post on Instagram, Instagram allows approximately 25 to 30 hashtags. So what you can do is, you can take trending hashtags that are very very popular. So for example, you can take motivation, and then you can take these sub post also, like motivations, and this motivation Sunday, because this these kind of hashtags have got lot less posts, so your post will be ranking on these on these pages. So for example, if we click on this motivation Sunday, so if you post using this particular hashtag, then you will rank here. It will be easier to rank here. For example, if you write motivation, let's see, motivation. If you come over here, motivational quotes, so for example, if you try to rank here, you will be outranked pretty soon, because in every 9 or 10 seconds, 50 posts use the 50 people use this particular hashtag, and they will just come over here, and it's very difficult to beat this 2121 likes. So these are top posts. And if you see this, this particular person used this uh, motivational quotes, uh, motivational quotes hashtags, and he's here. And this person also this did this, then this person also did this. So as you can see, all these are recent posts, and there are so many of them, so it would be very very difficult to get a rank on this particular uh, uh, hashtag. So what I would advise is that you should do a combination of trending hashtags and low post hashtags, such as these. You should use these also. You should use high trending hashtags also. So this is one strategy that you can use to grow your Instagram account very very easily. So first of all, you need to find viral content, then you need to post consistently. Okay, that's 2-3 times a day, and then you need to use hashtags as I have shown you in this video. Now I am going to tell you how you can easily repost other people's content without getting banned on Instagram. So for that, you need to head over to Google Play Store, and then you need to download this particular app called Repost for Instagram. What you have to do with this when you download this particular app, all you need to do is open this app, open Instagram, and click on this button in the post. Say for example, whatever post you like, visit that post. Say for example, we click on this. Now we have this particular thing. So when we click on this, we get this, go to post, embed, share, copy link. So we need to click on copy link, and then we need to come over here, copy link or copy share URL. Just you have to do just this much. After this, what it will do is it will show your Instagram post like this. Then you have to click on the image, then it will open up a screen like this. It will say repost, save, and share, and it will also show you where you want to put the logo of this particular app. You can skip that also. Say for example, if you choose this particular thing which shows blank, this logo will disappear. After that, it will ask you certain things like this, certain things, copied caption. This post caption was open to the clipboard. It will copy everything. It will copy the hashtags if they are there in the post. uh, if the particular person has kept hashtags in his comments, then it will not be able to copy them. But if that particular person has kept the hashtags in his post, in this post body, then that hashtags will get uh, copied. For example, in this, if the particular person has in this case, this particular person has kept hashtags here in his post only. He has not kept hashtags in his comment section. So this particular this particular repost app will copy these hashtags, and so you will not have to fish out for the hashtags. It would be very very easy for you. So it will do this, and it will also give credit to the person from whom you are copying the post. So for example, if you copy this, it will give a credit to this particular person. Insane underscore motivation. So it will say repost at the rate insane repost at the rate insane hashtag insane underscore motivation. It will give it will give credit to this particular person. So you will be safe from any copyright issues when you do this. And just that's it. You need to forward you need to click on OK, and your work is over. You will be able to post viral content easily by giving credit to other people without getting banned on Instagram. This is very good strategy. And now I'm gonna tell you how you can promote multiple offers on Instagram. So this is something which I am doing right now. My page is not that good right now because I am trying out different strategies on Instagram. I have made one page in the past which was good success. uh, but this is something which I am doing right now, so I'm telling you this what works right now. So this is I am kind of building a motivational page, and I'm not getting that much engagement, uh, but I'm growing continuously. So the thing which I'm gonna tell you is that how you can actually promote good offers uh, by just using one link. So this is something which very few people are doing, and you should do it too because it will give you good exposure. The reason I'm not being able to grow this account is that I am not that consistent. I'm not posting consistently. So I'll try to be consistent on this page. I'll update you on the progress of this page. But for now, let's learn about how you can promote multiple offers. So this particular site is called Linktree. I will give you a link of this particular site. You can make your account there, and you can promote multiple offers. So when I click on this particular link, it opens up this kind of page. So it's opening. Agrawal Bros. If you click here, it will lead you to my YouTube channel. This is one affiliate offer, free software to make $500 today. And I am also active on Quora. So if you click here, it will take you to my Quora profile page. And this is another affiliate offer. So for example, if I click here, this will open up my YouTube page. So this is pretty cool. So it has opened up my YouTube page. If I click over here, this will open up my Quora page. So this is my Quora page. You can visit me on Quora and learn about different stuff. I'm also active in Hindi. If you speak Hindi, then you can follow me on Hindi also. Follow me on Quora in Hindi also. So this is a pretty cool way to promote your affiliate offers along with your blogs or along with your YouTube channel. So many very few people are doing this stuff, and I would seriously recommend you to try out this stuff. And if you want my number one recommendation on how to earn money online, then you can check the first link in the description. It's a pretty cool offer that you can start that you can start today and earn serious money online. It's something which really works, and it will give a lot of value to you. So if you're very serious about how to make money online, then you should check the first link in the description. Also, if you want good videos on how to make money online, then please visit my channel Agrawal Bros and subscribe to my channel. I post good content on how to make money online, so you can get a lot of value from my channel. And most of the stuff is free, so it is very easy to get started. So bye bye now. Bye bye for now. I will see you in my next video. Ta-ta.